All right, so anyway, I bought this from Costco. The total price was $7.49. You have to remove this label before you use it. If you flip it over, you're going to see that it already comes with a battery. You just pull this, you see that little thing there, and it just pops out. You can see you've got your battery in there, and that's what charges. So it charges from the sun. And then you just got to push it back. And then if you slide it over this way, you're going to see there's an off and on switch. So you got to turn it to the on switch, and that turns it on. That's your off switch, right? So it just has two. It has two flavors, and that's the on there. So let's turn it off for now. And now we've got to pull this off of here. And when you pull this off, this one's kind of germunched. You want to try to make sure you get it all off, like that. So it's like two pieces. So there's like a film that goes over it. So you want that all off there. Throw that in the garbage later. All right, so now we're ready to go ahead and just stick her out there, and we'll see how she works. So let's see how it charges. And if they're good, I'll get a bunch of them. I only bought two. I'm gonna try them out. And well, look, it's still got some stuff on there. And then I'm gonna point it at, I don't know, maybe the tree, bougainvillea bush, one of these things. You can see over here, these guys aren't getting sun. That guy is getting sun, but not a lot, so I gotta redo that. Just gonna shove it in right there. And then we got it pointed directly at over there. And that should do it. All right, so I got this one in the ground already. I'm just gonna put this one right here. I'm gonna find a hole, smush it in there. And then you want this so that the sun faces it. And then the light's gonna kind of go over on this tree over here. Hopefully, we'll see. And this one's ready to go. And you can turn these so that they face the sun, you know, get the most sun. Okay, and also if you want to change the attitude, you can twist this, and it gives you the ability to bring the light up a little bit. I thought it did. Oh, you really got to turn it. So let's turn it. There we go. Now it'll move. So I want to have this one a little bit higher like that. And then I'm going to lock it in there. So it kind of gets the orchids. And then I got to kind of turn this so that it gets the sun like that. So you have to, you have to play with it a little bit. Try to maximize your sun amounts. This one here I think is going to be okay. I might want to bring it up a little bit. So let's loosen it. Whoops. I'm going to point it like that. Whoops. And then once I've done that, I've got to kind of adjust this so that it faces the sun more. There we go, like that. And that'll get this better sun. All right, so here is our light. Yeah, it's working pretty good. This one over here. We need to maybe pull it up a little bit. I'm gonna loosen it on the sides. There we go. It's a little bit too loose. And there we go. And I gotta tighten it. And that's that. So it worked pretty good. It's kind of shining there, shining there. I guess they're worth it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.